There's a ghost in the static of the CB line, a young man's voice from 79. He's chasing the deadline down a two-lane blacktop, knowing once he starts, he's never gonna stop. His hands are stained with grease and diesel fuel, learning life's lessons in a hard-knock school. No GPS to guide him through the night, just the glow of the gauges in the dashboard light, and the paper law lies on the passenger seat, marking the hours and the bitter and the sweet. It's a story of a life lived a quarter mile at a time, between the exhaustion and the mountain climb. We were young and we were tired, but we were free, living out a dream for the world to see on the paper log trail. Just the rig and me. Now I look in the mirror and a stranger looks back with a map of the Union in every crack. The joy of the sunrise still hits just the same, even if the industry forgot its own name. We were the brothers of the midnight hall, answering a rhythm, answering the call. Before the world got small and the trucks got quiet, we lived through the wind and the diesel riot. From the payphone booths to the way station blues, we paid every debt and we wore out our shoes. On the paper log trail, just the rig and me, marking the hours and the bitter and the sweet. We were young and we were tired, but we were free. On the paper log trail, just the rig and me.